John Kavakis with another edition of My Take, and I have some more pre-production prototypes to show you. Today it is Stamp's 1973 Cadillac Fleetwood 75 Limousine. Now, Cadillac Series 70 and 75 have been in the lineup since 1938 with a 141-inch wheelbase. The Series 75 was an imposing automobile. It was just huge. This was the Cadillac of all Cadillacs. It had everything on it. It was basically a factory-built limousine. The car had presence. I mean, it meant something when somebody arrived in this. And for every new generation of that nameplate, that original Series 75 set the tone. It set the bar, and the bar was high. But they managed to meet it with each new generation all the way through 1987. So the Series 75 developed quite a legacy. I'm going to show you some of these, and they're going to look familiar to you, but you can see the development of the car as Cadillac poured a lot of engineering and time and design into it. So the second generation was 1938 to 1940. The third generation was 1941 to 1949, interruption because of the war there. Fourth generation was 1950 through 1953. The fifth generation, 1954 through 1956, short one. The sixth generation was 57 through 58, short again. The seventh, fins, here they are, 1959 to 1960. The eighth went from 1961 to 1965. The ninth generation was 1966 through 1970. And the 10th generation, which we have here today, is 1971 through 1976. We're not going to show you the rest. We'll wait for Stamp to make some models of those before we show them to you. So, look at the standard equipment that came with this car. Carpeted footrest, fixed ratio power steering, rear seat window defogger, automatic climate control, right side outside rear view mirror operated by remote control. Bumper impact strips were also standard. And these cars also came with the energy absorbing bumpers, front and rear. Those monstrosities were just absolutely huge, in particular in 73 and 74. After that, the manufacturer started incorporating them into the design, and they were looking a little bit better. But that 1973 model, those bumpers drove the entire length up to 250 inches. That's 20.8 feet, one of the largest Cadillacs ever made. So I'm going to get this thing on. Now, I got to tell you something about the colors. It comes in black with a black interior. It comes in Renaissance gold poly, and it comes in Park Avenue gray poly. I wasn't crazy about the gold and the silver when I saw the descriptions, but when I got them in the box, these things are absolutely spectacular. In particular, that Park Avenue gray is just very, very classy. So I'm going to get them on the turntable, take a look. Now, I've done something new, the last two models. Love to get your feedback on this. Instead of doing the running commentary, I'm going to give you close-ups of the car. I'm going to give you the best shots I can, try to get the color out. You know, under the light, these things pop really well. And let you make up your own decision on what you think of the car. So I'm going to give you a close look at both of them, and then I'll come back and add a few more comments. So there they are. Stamps 1973 Cadillac Fleetwood 75 limousine. It's going to retail for about $129. I'll give you the links to a couple of my favorite dealers if you want to shop there. And you'll see them a little bit less expensive probably. These things have tendency to go fast, just like all of Stamps and GLM models. So if you want it, you probably ought to move quickly on it. I don't think they're in the dealers yet. They should be showing up very soon. As you can see, these are pre-production prototypes. They didn't come with a box. They don't have any of the labels on them, but Stamp wants to get them out quickly and let you take a look at them so you can make your buying decision early. I'm going to thank you for tuning in. The channel's doing really well. Do me a favor before you go, if you would. If you enjoyed the video, would you give me a like down there in the right-hand corner? Love to hear your comments, particularly on the new format on the video. And, of course, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Once again, thanks for tuning in. I've got more coming up. Hope to see you soon.